negligence is going to be his defense in court. And this is something that we reject. We rejected it yesterday and we reject it today. District Engineer Alcantara intentionally defrauded government in not implementing the Baliwag Bulacan Ghost Project. He was there in the beginning. Ibig sabihin, doon po sa pagpirma ng kontrata. He was there in the first signing of the check, issuance of the check. Doon po sa, ato yung paglalabas po ng resibo. Ang kulang na lang ho namin yung dulo, kung kasali pa rin ba siya pinakadulo na pumirma dito po sa issuance po ng cheque sa Sims Construction Trading. So, again, he can make the defense na negligence ho siya, pero obviously yung negligence ho, hindi yung totoo eh. Ikaw yung head of agency. Ikaw yung boss ng opisina. Hindi ba? So you cannot pin the staff down, you cannot pin the ordinary employee down. It was you who was the boss in the district engineering office. Wala hong iba. Ang huling pirma ay kay District Engineer Henry Alcantara. So meron ho siyang aktwal, direktang, mabigat na pananugutan dito po sa ghost project po na ito sa Baliwag, Bulacan.